welcome back. Thank you so much for joining me. For today's video, we are doing a unboxing. This is my PR haul that I do weekly here on my channel. I do this every single Friday where you guys get to see what I'm receiving, what's coming in, what's new in makeup. So we're gonna open some of these boxes here together. If you guys are ready, let's get started. First box we're gonna open came from Physicians Formula. They're coming out with a new limited edition butter collection palette. If you guys have never tried their butter bronzer, butter blushes, they also have butter highlights. They're all three amazing. And it looks like inside of here there's going to be a fragrance as well. So these sets are exclusive to Walmart and physiciansformula.com. So they sent over the light medium set. I believe there's going to be two sets. I think it said it on here. So there's also going to be a medium to deep set as well. So here's the packaging. And let's see what it looks like. Oh, this is so cool. Okay, so it has in here two highlights, a blush, and then the butter bronzer, as well as this fragrance. So if you guys have ever smelled the butter products, this is going to be that same sort of fragrance, I believe, as those. So let me open it up and see if it smells the same. So it does smell very similar to that, but it definitely has more of like a floral scent to it as well. It smells really good. I really like this. So this is just like a little mini fragrance, and then as well as we have the blush, the bronzer, and then the two highlights. I can swatch them all for you. The formula of their butter highlights are just like no other. They are so creamy and beautiful. So here is the bronzer, the blush, and then the highlighters. So those aren't the best swatches, but as you can see, those highlights are just super blinding. I think this is a really nice set, and it's definitely going to be affordable, which is awesome. I believe this it retails for like $11 or something like that, which is really good because I think the bronzer alone is like $10 or something like that. So this is definitely a really good set from Physicians Formula. Thank you guys so much for sending that over. This next box came from STILAZZI. I have been using their gel eyeliners and absolutely loving them. Highly recommend those if you guys haven't checked them out. So inside it looks like they have a brand new brush collection, the Studio Series collection. So these are 100% synthetic fibers, handmade and vegan. So some new brushes from them. Oh my gosh, there's a lot. I always get so excited for brushes. You guys, wow, there's a lot of brushes in here. Oh my gosh, like a lot. Holy cow. Super excited about this. So I have been using, they sent a few brushes over with their last package as well with the gel liners, and I've been using them and really liking them. So I am really stoked to see the rest of these. Ooh, they got a fan brush, and see how they perform. It looks like, looking on the sheet, the prices are going to be very affordable. They range in like, I think the most expensive one on there was $15 for like a face brush, but they are like $6, $7 for their eye brushes. And it looks like they have a lot of unique brushes in here. So thank you so much to the team at STILAZZI for that package. I can't wait to dig into all these brushes. Next package came from Urban Decay, and they sent over their brand new Beached collection. So I actually already snuck and I reviewed this. I'll link a card up above if you guys want to check it out. But I've been obsessing over this collection. I mostly love the eyeshadow palette. Like, it is so pretty. Here's what it looks like. It's just such a pretty palette. This blue in here is like my everything. Let me swatch it for you guys so you can see. Like, can we talk about the pigmentation? This is crazy good. I'm not gonna go too much in detail with this because I did already put up a review. So if you guys wanna go ahead and check that out, I'll link it down below, and I'll also put the card above, but definitely check that video out if you guys wanna see more from that collection. And of course, thank you to Urban Decay for sending that over. Next box I'm about to share with you guys, I cannot even believe. I was shocked when they reached out to me. I just am so thankful. So this came from Ihome, and this is actually their Vanity, which is super cool. So it is a light up mirror, and then it also has Bluetooth in it. So I'm definitely excited to try this out and use it. So it says here that it has a USB charging port, so you can plug your phone right into it, rechargeable battery. It has a color lighting system. It also has Siri, this is so cool. I'm gonna open it up and see how big the mirror is. Here's what it looks like. It's a very large mirror. You have all of your buttons here on the front. It also has a magnified one so you can get up closer. This is so, so sweet. Thank you to the team at Ihome. I cannot wait to try this out. I literally have the tiniest mirror right in front of me, and this is gonna be so helpful for tutorials. Thank you so much. I really appreciate it. I'll also link it down below if you guys wanna check it out. How cool is this? Next box came from KATHERINE Cosmetics. A few weeks ago, I got a package from Perfect 365, and it was just like a little care package, and it had a few products from them in there that I've been using and absolutely loving. So they saw that I've been using them, and they said they wanted to send me over some more, so they sent over a little package, so I'm gonna open that now. Can we just talk about the beauty of this package? Oh, this is so, so cute. The packaging is just adorable. On the front of this one, it says, feel confident and pretty. This is their natural eyeshadow palette. And here's the outer packaging. It's just like this nude, very sleek. So this is the inside of it. This looks really pretty. Here's what it looks like. I am so excited to try more from them. This packaging seriously has me just like in awe. So this here has like a little bow on the front. Here, the beauty of giving back. This one is the Courage palette. This is a makeup palette. I love their message too. This is so sweet. Oh, wow. This is beautiful. So this is their Courage palette. Wow, this is absolutely stunning. And then also in here, there is their Confidence palette. Let me see what this one looks like. I love that. So it says the beauty of giving back, confidence, strength, and courage. Absolutely love this. So here is that one. Super pretty. Let me swatch it for you guys. Oh, wow. I'm gonna love that. That is a super buttery highlight. Look at how pretty that is. Ooh, and then let me swatch this blush. Looks really pigmented. Oh my gosh. Super buttery blush, really pigmented. These palettes are absolutely beautiful. Okay, and then we also have in here some other products. So here we have, what is this? So this has some of their eyeliners. So two of their eyeliners, the one with the brushes. I used that one before. Also in here we have the Sienna highlight. This is the one that I've been wearing and really, really loving. And then it looks like we have this cute little box that has my name on it. So let's see what's inside of here. So inside of here, we have a few more products. So we have the Natural All Over Warm Bronze Powder. And then this one is a Giving Back lipstick. So let me open these and see what they look like. So here is the bronzer. And then the lip products. This is in the shade Debbie J. Thank you so very much to the team at KATHERINE. This package was so, so beautiful. Thank you guys. I really appreciate it. I'm going to be wearing all these products really soon. This next package came from First Aid Beauty, and I've already peeked inside. There is so much stuff in here. So if you guys don't know, First Aid Beauty has a lot of skincare products. They also have a really good primer, their coconut primer that I really like. So this is their Ginger Vitamin C Jelly Mask. That sounds awesome. Also inside of here, we have this coconut water cream. So this is a hydrating, like a moisturizer. I love the smell of coconut, so I'm definitely gonna be trying this out tonight because coconut is my favorite thing ever. And if I'm hoping, it says water, so I'm assuming that's gonna be like more, yes, of like a gel, which I love for underneath my makeup as well. Also in here, we have the Coconut Skin Smoothing Primer. So this is the one that I was talking about that I really, really like. Also in here, we have the Ultra Repair Cream. I've heard really, really good things about this one. We also have the Facial Radiance Pads. These are going to help exfoliate, tone, and brighten. So like some little cotton pads. I always love using those. They're so easy and fast. And then we also have in here 2 different shades of their Ultra Repair Tinted Moisturizer. So I got to sample this when I was at Generation Beauty, and it feels very lightweight, but yet it gives a nice coverage. So I'm excited. They sent over 2 different shades, so I'll have to give this a try. Definitely something that's going to be nice for this summertime. There are so many products in here. Thank you so much to the team at First Aid Beauty for that package. So we have 2 different boxes from Skinfix. I haven't gotten anything from them in a while. They are a skincare brand that I really, really love. So here it says they are introducing their newest duo. So it says one for you and one for your BFF. So it is what is this? So a pre-shower body polish. So it says it's for rough and bumpy skin. And then also in here, I love the bright green packaging. That's really nice. This is their renewing cream. So clinically proven to smooth, rough, and bumpy skin. So these will be nice to try out. 96% natural and it's dermatologically tested. Really love Skinfix's products. They have some really, really good skincare. The next box is Sweet Spot Lab, which is a sister company to Skinfix. So this is a feminine hygiene line. So they have here their coconut lime gentle wash. I've actually used this a bunch and I really, really like it. And then also in here, these are new, it looks like. So these are Vanilla Blossom. So these are like some cleansing wipes, you know, for if you're on the go, you need a little pick-me-up. So these are going to be feminine hygiene wipes, which I do like the ones I've tried from them before. I believe it was the coconut ones. So we got some new ones of those. So thank you so much to Skinfix for both of those packages. I'll have all the products I mentioned linked down below as well, in case you guys are interested in any of them. Very last package came from Coola. I got to meet them at Generation Beauty as well, and they sent over their full spectrum 360 sun silk drops. So I got to talk to them a bit about this and what it is. So basically it is an SPF, and what it does is it protects you indoors and outdoors. So I know you're like, why do you need a SPF indoors? But it's supposed to help against the harmful rays that you can get from your computer screen or your TV screen, your phone. Some of those things can do harm to your skin, which would make sense. You don't think about that. So these are really cool. Let me pull it out. So here is what it looks like. So this is an SPF 30, and like I said, you can apply it indoors and outdoors. And it has like a little dropper here, so you can apply this. It's just like a serum that it doesn't even have like a scent to it at all. It has a little bit of a scent, but nothing like sunscreeny. It just feels really nice on the skin as well. I got to test it out there. So this is a really, really cool product. I will link it down below, like I said. Thank you so much to Coola for that package. Guys, that's going to do it for this week's PR unboxing. As always, a massive thank you to you guys for being so supportive on these videos. And as I grow, I feel like these videos are getting more and more crazy and more wild. And the things that I'm receiving weekly is just mind-blowing to me. And it is all because of you guys, and I have you to thank for it. And these opportunities that I receive are just so wild, and I'm so just in awe every single day. And I appreciate you guys more than you will ever know. These products, it seems so small to just receive these things, you know, it's just like, oh, it's just makeup. But for me, it's so much more than that. It represents, you know, hard work and the dedication that I put into this, and just to be rewarded like this literally daily is so wild to me. And I'm just so thankful to you guys, and a big thank you to these brands for these packages. You guys are so generous, and I appreciate you so much. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed watching. I'll see you guys in my next video. Don't forget to subscribe before you go. I post new videos every Monday, Wednesday, and then on Fridays. Give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye guys.